5 into up to n. So if I write in more simplified way, we can write it as it will be n plus 1. We can write it as n plus 1 by n factorial by 2 into 2. Because why? Because we have added an extra 2 in the expression and to make it a factorial. So after making a factorial, we have to cancel out the factorial by multiplying the 2. So this is the expression that is coming out in our LHS. And if I check the RHS, it is 1 plus a1 plus a2 up to an. Now the expression that is going to get is a very familiar expression to you, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n. It is in AP, so the sum will be n into n plus 1 by 2. More specifically, n by 2 plus 1. Now these are two expressions that we are going to get in the LHS and RHS part. So here n plus 1 and n plus 1 is common in both the parts, and if I multiply the 2 also to n plus 1, it will not be going to hamper our inequality in that a higher level. But the main thing that will going to hamper our inequality in a very bigger dimension will be n factorial and n. Means in the LHS part here is n factorial by 2, but in the RHS part here is n by 2. So we know n factorial by 2 is always greater than n by 2. Why? Because factorial is not a number, factorial is a function. Because if I take something in the factorial, it will give me the product of that number up to 1. Means if I take n factorial, it will give me n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to it will multiply up to 1. Now we can write n factorial by 2 is greater than n by 2. So it will make us the expression like 2n plus 1 by n factorial by 2 will be greater than n by 2 plus 1. So here we get LHS equals to RHS. LHS greater than RHS. So this we have to prove in the inequality. So we have proved it. So this is how we can prove the Weirsta's inequality, and in the further shorts I will also explain you how to use the Weirsta's inequality in your questions of various Olympiads and JEE problems. So I think you have understood the process. So if you could able to prove the same inequality for n less than infinity, please don't forget to write your solution in the comment section. I will see each and every comments. So if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my channel for this more interesting